Man, with the fun training, man. She a nice girl, man. Man, the girl thick, you know. She's short, man. My size, you know.
I like tall girls, you know. Tall girls, well, look up next.
Hey, girl, hey, girl. Yeah, fun. Yeah, man. Them girls, you know, man. Yeah. Love a short one, them too short.
Man. Walking like this, I'm like, yo, I'm seeing everything's great. I'm like, what?
You saw Harry come on? I'm the Christmas one?
Yeah.
Yo! Remember when they thought they were clay?
Yeah.
I want some like that.
I'm legend type shit. Like, I was fucking crazy. Yo, what the fuck is that? What are you talking about?
What going on, Scott?
Hey, what you doing? What? I don't understand you. What? You do something?
You're not gonna move in the bum. Yo, I tell you, where you from?
What?
Why you call us over, man?
I don't know what the fuck you're saying. So where you call if I don't know?
Yes.
So I want to know what you're saying. So you just answer me well.
Yeah. Why you answer the man like that?
Cause he's getting me mad.
Yo, listen, don't speak to him like that.
I speak to whoever I want. You. Listen, my man. Listen, my man.
Wait. You know me, man. I don't know what the fuck. What's up?
What's up, my nigga? Like, you think I'm
What's up, my nigga?
Lick him.
Yo,
what going on? You good?
What?
Yeah.
Yeah? You don't understand?
Yeah, you don't get it, man.
English. That way I chat. You
speaking English, bro?
Yo, where you coming from?
What? We're coming from the island, dog, Jamaica, you know?
That's where we're down by the beach.
Yeah. What's that Jamaica?
With the pretty
I don't
girls.
care. I can understand you. What are you talking?
What?
What are you talking about?
Get it, dog?
Yo, speak English, bro.
No. You gotta be like,
Nah,
no, speaking your language.
Alright, listen.
Oh, you shuffling, bro?
What the fuck, my nigga? Yo, what you trying to play, yo?
What's up, man?
No, I don't even know what you said.
Yo.
I violate thing that, you know, man.
Yo, dog.
I put him on, you have to grip.
Yeah, you have to grip me now.
You said my feet are greasy? Wait, Jamaica? This is not Jamaica, this is NYC.
So what, you going like me can't lick it?
You don't hear rest something. You're not back home.
Yo,
What?
we don't understand what you're saying.
I don't understand what you're saying. I feel like you're insulting me, like, what's up?
I don't some real thing, man. What?
Where come?
Cause I wanna know what you're saying.
Huh?
I wanna know what you're saying. Cause I feel like you're talking smack.
Yo, nobody attack here.
Yo, don't get to argument, alright?
Hold on. Yo, let's say about business.
Don't touch.
Wait, find out.
I understand. Yo, I scared. Don't touch.
Yo, hold on.
I'm not going for it. I don't touch you.
Don't touch me from behind. No, speaking your language.
Set. Action. Watch it. I said action, man.
Hey guys, let's get lifted. It's hard to get higher than the penthouse. I take her home and I take an evidence the morning time so she been out. Baby, wish her on the game like hit it out the park, so she probably came twice. Too low, cocky, but try to remain nice. You know that when someone's alright, I give kudos. Lately I've been depressed with the state of the game, so mistaking my name. I proceed, that's that nigga who's next. That presidential got me feeling like a she called me daddy. After I would get her name, why even bother? She knows who I am, so this isn't her honor. Asked me what I regret, I ain't say it. I said you not. She searched my name on Google, got my number, so she hollered.
No, speaking your language.